Alright, so you were given the order pair -3, -5. And that point is on the terminal side of theta. So this student drew -3, -5. There's the order pair. So your x value is -3. And your y value is -5. Now negatives are super important for your x's and y's. Here is your theta. That is called the reference angle. Everyone say reference angle? So yesterday's lesson, that was part of your bow tie, right? Find each one of the 6 trig functions. And so this student recognized that I have an x, y. They can find the r using the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. And they got the square root of 34. Raise your hand if you got square root of 34. So that's an exact answer. You're not going to change that to decimals. Let's take a look at this one. This student wrote down the 6 trig functions, and they wrote them in terms of the letters x, y, and r. Notice that to simplify, you'll either simplify your fractions, so if they're both evens, then you can just reduce it, or in this case, we can rationalize. This one would be the square root of 34 times the square root of 34. You're basically multiplying any number times 1, it's not changing it. You have a negative times a positive, so it's a -3 radical 34. Radical 34 times radical 34 squared, they cancel, and you're going to left with just the 34. So make sure you rationalize on there. Zoom in for you. That's what it looks like. And then our last student work, let's take a look at this one. Yeah, just rationalize there. That looks good. And make sure you have trigonometry only works for right triangles.